Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Eagle Trippin' and I'm back with another video. I promise y'all that I will do a makeup tutorial, so I'm here to give y'all that. It's not gonna be like a full beat, but I don't think I have a makeup tutorial on here, so it's gonna be something really, something easy, nothing too dramatic. And yeah, so if you guys are here for that, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get this started. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome. I appreciate y'all and I love y'all. And if y'all haven't hit that notification bell, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, because as y'all see, like I said, I'm dropping the videos. I'm dropping them like it's hot. So I'm proud of myself. So come on in, let's get comfortable. Y'all kick off y'all shoes, sit back, and I'm finna throw this makeup on this face, honey, so that I can feel a little cute. I want to feel a little cute. So enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Again, thank you guys very, very much. I appreciate y'all. And let's get into this little slight beat. First of all, I'm going in here with my LA Girl, the primer. And I didn't used to use primer on my face, but the primer serves as like it kind of like coats, let me see how I can say it. It's kind of a, how can I say it? I want to say like when you put the primer on your face, it coats your face like a shield, like it protects your, I don't know, hell, you just put it on, hell. Ain't that right? I'm so sick, I'm tired. You use primer to, it's like, what does it serve as? I can't talk. I hate when I get on here and I don't know how to speak. Oh, yeah, I hate when I come on here, but it's kind of like a skin protector. It just helps your makeup glide on smooth. That's what it is. The primer helps the makeup glide on smooth. That's what I wanted to say. Bruh. So, yeah. I'm putting this on. I already did my eyebrows, and of course, I already got my lashes on. And normally I don't never put makeup on my forehead because it just be too much. I don't know why. I do know why. I just never really, you never hardly catch me like putting like makeup. If I do put makeup on my forehead, it just be just a little bit, but it just be too much. I'd be putting down baby hairs and it be grease and the makeup and it just don't go. So I don't know what I'm gonna be using. Let me see. I'm probably gonna use, this is the NARS, and this is in Tahoe. Okay, you guys. I know this was really, really quick. I just wanted to guys. I wanted to give you guys just one of my quick makeup routines, and I didn't want to do too much, even though I kind of feel like I did, but yeah, just a little bit of something. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like this look. And I just wanted to, actually, I don't even have do I have no, I don't. I said it in the beginning. I do not have a makeup tutorial on this channel. So I guess this is going to be the first one. I hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see something else. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any things that you want me to do, any ideas, let me know down in the comments. Let's sound off in the comments. I'll talk to you guys down there. I love you guys, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick makeup tutorial, and I love you guys, and thank you for watching. I'm Ego, and I'm out.